Marvel. Platinum. 2 boxes of it. Good luck, guys.
I'll catch you later.
Later, D.
If you open any NT NASCAR or something,
Yeah.
if you remember and you have time, text me because I would like to watch.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We're definitely going to do
it by the
big.
letter. How are we doing it?
No, we're doing it by the parallel.
Oh.
Full case, too. It's going to be sick, bro. It's going to be sick.
I like it.
Yeah, it's, dude.
The booklets?
Yeah, there's some other good spots that are still available. You know, the spot that Erie almost bought was that NASCAR Diamond spot.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a good spot. I like the 75th Andy spot. It's probably like 1 per case, he was saying. The spot that it's already gone, but especially for the price, it's like, I want to say it's like 60, 70 bucks maybe. The premium patch auto spot that Axios has.
You can take out direct and I'll pay.
Which one?
Quad Race Used Materials.
You want it? All right, you got it.
You know how I know?
Why?
Because I figure there's always like 1 or 2 of those.
You got it. I'll take it out for you right now.
Deco 35.
Deco 35.
Let's go. I want to see some NASCAR.
Let's go. The quad coming out. You get Treasures of the Hall, too. It's quad used race memorabilia and Treasures of the Hall. Yes, it is, Ted. Exactly. Second inner of the case. Not a good day for the New York sports. Knicks lost the other day. Mets lost today. Rangers lost today. Ooh, that's a good color right there. We're going to have a happy camper. What's up, Trev? This is a fresh inner. The first 2 boxes of a fresh inner. Yeah, this is going to be a loaded case. I know. Because the other half of the case was loaded too. That's what they do. All these 2 boxes are going to be loaded too. I can already see from a mile away this is the most loaded break ever. We're going to have, somebody's going to be very happy, is all I'm going to say. We have one individual that's going to be very happy. All right, good luck. Proxima Midnight, excuse me, on the blue. Sentry on the blue tracks for Winkle on the kill. Hold on, this is driving me nuts. It's angled too high. It's tilting me out. I need to angle this down. I can't. Oh, much better. My hands can breathe now. Blue Malekith. And then Black Widow on the teal wave. Audibles at the line. This stuff is really good. This is going to be a great 2 boxes, too. Dazzler, we hit the auto in the last break. And that's a nice Iron Man. Yellow spotlight for Echo of Iron Man. This is the high number, not the low number, I believe. But still very cool. I could argue it's better art, even though the low number is supposed to be better art. All right, we got some more spicy stuff. Thing on the rainbow. Spider-Woman yellow. Abomination on the teal wave. Fang Fang Foom. Juggernaut there. Nice X-Men cover variant. Black Panther on the rainbow. Havoc red rainbow. And Winter Soldier on the blue tracks. Now, we've got an orange checkered for our guy Ed. Enchantress on the red rainbow. That's a nice one. Hawkeye. Hawkeye's going to be our orange checkered to 33 for the Ram. 28 of 33. I love this artist. This artist is great. I think it's the same artist that did that Vision. Beautiful card. Nice hit, Ed. Orange checkered and 2-boxer is great. Thor on the cover. Ant-Man purple rainbow. That Red Skull is crazy with the Captain America. Doctor Doom on the base. Nova red. I like the Nova. That's actually a really cool red. This Nova with all the red on the sides. Rainbow of Blackheart. Elektra on the black rainbow. That's going to go to Winkle on the kill. Number 103. Not a low number, but close. These cards are beautiful. Black Panther, Avenger cover, Spider-Man on the rainbow, and Hawkeye again, but purple rainbow for the Winkle on the kill. Let me top load all this delicious stuff from that first box, and then we'll do the second box, which I can see has another good card in it. We hit the orange checkered in the first one. We'll see what the second one has to bring. Every time I look at this red Nova, I like it more. I know it's just a red rainbow, but it's a nice card. It's the beauty with this product is the colors can match. Like if this Enchantress were green, you know what I mean? Imagine how spiffy that would look. Exactly, the color matches are the plays. I didn't even see you say that. But I do think the like if, you know, like a green Hulk or I bet an amber thing would be sick. An amber thing? I've seen Mallrats, yeah. They everybody tells me I remind them of the guy that carries his coffee around everywhere. What's you ever see Mallrats?
That's been a long ass time. Was it Joe Lauren Adams?
Yeah. Exactly. Well, there's the Chasing Amy and Mallrats, right?
I definitely haven't seen Chasing Amy, but I remember Mallrats.
Contestant number 1. 2 blue tracks already. That's more than in the last 2-boxer. Box number 2. How are you? Kingpin on the blue rainbow, Cosmic Ghost Rider, red with the pixels. Prism, excuse me. Red Prism. Echo, he hate me. On the Cosmic Ghost Rider to 199. Multiple Man on the rainbow, Photon. See, that's a color match right there on the yellow for Winkle. And then Spider Girl on the teal wave. Let's see what we got here. Ghost Spider on a yellow and Storm. That's gorgeous. I can't believe that's like the prettiest teal wave I've ever seen. How nice does that look? For a teal wave, just the mixed with that artwork, that looks sick. I guess it's a low number Storm. I'm like really surprised at how gorgeous that looks for just a teal wave to $7.99. Nice card. Moon Knight on the low number. No, not a low number. This is the high number Moon Knight. Red rainbow. Donnie Moonstar on the yellow Spotlight for You Hate Me. That's what I'm saying. That's a beautiful card, CB. Rocket Raccoon. Don't jump. Iron Man rainbow low number. Spider-Man red. Wow, nice couple cards there. Spider-Man red rainbow color match. Low number Spider-Man there. Going to Ed. And then Hulk. Also going to Ed with ink on the red auto. Unnumbered, but we take it. The high number Hulk. Unnumbered red. Autograph of Carlo. How do we pronounce this? Pagulayan? Carlo Pagulayan, I believe. Nice color match on the Spidey. Which one, the auto or this Spider-Man? I gotta click on this, hold on. Oh wow, that's sick. No way. Dude, that's awesome. You got the gold rainbow Spider-Man auto. That's so cool. That's so cool, dude. That is so cool. That is like one of the coolest cards in the whole set. That's awesome. That's a great Spidey picture. That's so dope. That's awesome. I love it. He'll enjoy it, hopefully. I did the comic book thing with my dad, too. I used to go to the comic book store with my dad and just sit there and just read comic books while he was buying stuff and talking to the shop owner. And we have another. No way. No way. Look at, you guys see that? It's double orange checkered. We have two orange checkered cards next to each other. I've never seen that before, ever. Double orange checkered. That's insane. I've never seen that. It's funny, Ed, I was saying you have another big hit coming. I didn't realize that you had two other big hits coming. Holy crap. Abomination on the red. And our first orange checkered of this handful is going to be Colleen Wing, which is a black and white card, Very cool. That'll go nice with your collection. And the second one is War Machine. That's sick. And his thing looks kind of orangey, so it's in a weird way it's like a color match. That's fantastic. The War Machine is excellent, man. And of course it's my favorite number, 16 of 33. Shocker. Great hits. What a great pack for you. The Colleen Wing was 22 of 33. 3 orange checkers in 2 boxes. Good luck topping that. Good luck topping that. Getting 3 orange checkers in 1 break. 2 boxes. That is awesome. That is super awesome. I've never seen anything like that. Let's see what the rest has to offer here. We're not done. The fat lady isn't singing quite yet. If there's not a Cosmic in this break, it's probably going to be a Cosmic in the case, though, at least one. A red Morbius, and then a Mole Man with the claymation going on there. A teal wave spot, getting some excellent hits in this 2-boxer as well. Medusa on the rainbow, and Professor X on the black rainbow. That's a nice card. Winkle gets the low number Professor X, which in my humble opinion, because I just really like the low number, because I know this is going to sound weird, but I actually like seeing him in the wheelchair. I feel like that's how I remember Professor X. You know? So I like the low number Professor X. I like that picture. The other picture, he's not in the wheelchair. It's like a young Professor X. A purple Mighty Thor. That's nice. High number we take. Another red prism. Approaching. Elektra on the blue, and then Magic with a color match on the red prism. Red prism is hot. Echo, we got you a couple nice spots. We chose wisely. And that is going to do it for this 2-boxer. But clearly we have a hot case. I think we should do more 2-boxers of Marvel today. Ted said we had a hot case. Where's Sonny? Because you guys just know. I mean, you guys have. We've opened enough of this stuff at this point that we know what it looks like when we see certain things in the first half, in the first inner. We kind of have a good idea of what to expect in the second inner. And this is obviously hot. And we just, I feel like breakers can just say that all the time, like when they hit cards like, oh, like we're hot, or it's a hot case, and like so frequently it's going to mean nothing. Because the odds are the odds, and it is what it is. But with this product, when you have a hot half, the second half has historically been equally as hot. And the first half was very good. And now we're starting off really hot in the second half, so it just makes sense. I'm a scientific man here. I believe in the numbers, but after a certain number of times where you say, oh, it's a coincidence, it's not a coincidence anymore, So we've seen it too many times. Let's do a recap here. Great. This was a really good 2 boxes. Really good 2 boxes. Plenty of hits here. Yes, Winkle, we definitely got you some good stuff, man. The teal wave spot killed it for you. Yellow spot did good. Black rainbow, that was a really good kill. Really good kill. Blue tracks, got 1 hit, I think. or maybe 2. There's the Moon Knight, high number. Spider-Man there, low number on the red color match. Red Spot did great, Ed. Red Spot did great. I like this Nova, too. I was staring at that card a few times over. Photon color match. Dazzler yellow looks nice. Blue Kingpin, Electra Proxima. Mighty Thor on the purple. Ant-Man, a low number purple. Hawkeye, purple. Professor X, low number black. Electra the same. Mole Man. Spider-Girl there on the teal wave. This is... I still can't wrap my head around the fact that this card is numbered to 799. This is just the perfect color for this card. It's like the perfect teal wave is the perfect color match for Storm there. Black Widow on the teal wave, Abomination, Sentry, and Winter Soldier, 2 blue tracks actually. Donnie Moonstar, Iron Man high number, yellow spotlights, Magic color match, red prism, Cosmic Ghost Rider, red prism. Not 1, not 2, but 3 orange checkers in 2 boxes. Good luck doing that again. And then Hulk on the ink, unnumbered red auto there for Ed. A very, very good 2 boxes. And, man, I'm like, I can't believe I'm going to say this. Backer, I hope you're not watching. I can't, I mean, how many more orange checkers can we see in an inner case? But take your purple pixels, take your cosmics, take your greens. I'd be hard pressed to see more orange checkered in this inner case, but the other stuff's going to be there. Thank you for joining. That was 2 boxes of Marvel Platinum. Pick your color, number 13. Appreciate you guys. That was the break.